the Regional Integration Knowledge System website. In this third and last video, I will explain to you how to use the search by regional indicator feature of this website. Once again, you can click on this link from the homepage, search by indicator, or anywhere else on the website. If you click on the search by button and then choose regional indicator, that will take you to this part of the website. Here on you'll see the instructions for how to use this part of the website on the right hand side, with the various options presented on the left. So in this first selection menu, you can choose one or multiple indicators of integration. For example, we might be interested in the intra-regional trade share, the intra-regional migration share, and the intra-regional investment share of a specific organization. And you simply click those indicators and they will appear in the selected menu. And you can deselect those again by clicking on that cross next to the name. As was the case with the other search by features, you can either start entering the full name of the agreement or type in its acronym, and it will appear from a drop-down list. Make sure to select the country. You can, as I indicated, select existing countries. You can existing agreements and even add countries to those. Like, for example, add Brazil to NAFTA to see how that would change the integration features. And we can compare this to other organizations by clicking the Add Compare button. And we can do that multiple times. And add as many integration agreements as we are interested in. Now, unlike the previous feature, we are obliged to enter a specific date in this case. This is not an optional feature. So you can either enter a single year or an entire year range by adjusting this slider. And it's very important when adding the dates to click on this Add Date button to make sure that that selection is also appearing in this list. If you want to remove a selection, simply click on the red cross next to its name. If we press the Show Results button, the system will compute the indicators that we are interested in. And here we see those regional indicators appear. Now you might notice that for the first 4 years, with both NAFTA and NAFTA plus Brazil, the system returns an NA result. This is of course because the NAFTA agreement only started in 1994. So in these first 4 years, there are no members to the agreement producing that result. So it's very important to take into account that the indicators of integration are computed for the members that are in that agreement at that time. If you want the indicators of integration for Canada, Mexico, and the US for a longer period of time, we have to add those countries individually, which can easily be done, of course. Mexico and Canada. Do that, we will get indicators of integration from the 1990s. as was before, if data is not as was the case before, we can always download these results as a comma separated file, which can be opened using Excel or other similar types of software. When the data is computed with missing observations, you see here this small icon appearing that warns you of this fact. So in this case, the bilateral flows between some of the countries are missing when we compute the indicator. Moreover, we can also have more explanation about what exactly the intra-regional trade share measures. This is only a short explanation. For more detail on the type of indicators that you can compute and what exactly they mean and how they are computed, visit the support page and specifically download the technical notes, which will detail all of this information. So that concludes the search by regional integration feature of the website. If you have any further questions or anything is unclear, please do not hesitate to send us an email at the riks@cris.unu.edu email address.